Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're showing you how to make pizza dough. So in order to make the pizza dough, you're going to need half a cup of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 5 grams of yeast. You can go ahead and mix these ingredients together thoroughly. Make sure that you are mixing it very thoroughly in order to activate the yeast. Once it has been mixed thoroughly, you can go ahead and cover it for 10 minutes. So for this recipe, you are going to need 5 cups of flour, the yeast mixture, 3 tablespoons of oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. You can also use more or less salt depending on how much salt you like in your pizza or other food. Now go ahead and add all the ingredients into a mixer and mix it thoroughly. If you are using a mixer, I would recommend to put your flour in slowly because you just don't want it to go all over the place. Not to mention that you can also make the dough with your hand. If you're using less flour, you can divide the recipe. It works just as well. It's just way more faster if you have a mixer, but if you don't, that's also perfectly fine. You can use your hands. So as the mixer is running, you should gradually add about 2 cups of water while it's mixing. As you can see, our dough now has a sticky consistency. You're just going to want to roll it up into a ball and let it sit there. And make sure you cover it for at least 45 minutes in a warm place before using it to make any kind of food. After 45 minutes, you're just going to want to punch your dough to let the air escape from it. And that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for our next few videos that are going to show you how to use this dough to make pizza and a lot of other foods. They will be linked in this description once they are out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos, as well as subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to share this with your friends who struggle to make pizza dough. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, which will all be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.